gonna pull it like this easily.
Tightening it. Oh yeah.
I had to put air in. Come on,
Put some air to our little tire because it was flat. Testing. Is that right?
13,
Right?
a little bit more.
Little bit more should be. What's the temperature? Huh?
Should be about 30 pounds. There's 29.
Eee. Oh my god. I'll close, open the door. Big. We gotta take out the. Ah! It's too big. We gotta take out the box. That's because it won't fit to our door. Tear the bag and take the phone out.
We gotta take all this.
This one.
Clean up all this stuff later, I guess. Around. Suppose I even need this.
Yeah,
Take
just
this around. Hold this a minute.
because. I hope it fits.
Well, it should go in now. Hold that tight. You ready? Kind of twisted, but
You can scratch and there's already a scratch. Alright.
okay. Let your fingers. Don't put your fingers in between.
You need to have something here.
It's not gonna do
I-
magic.
Wait.
Pull
Okay.
this out. Put this stuff in.
Alright. It's under the blue. We'll just cut it, Han. Oh my god, I hope it goes in. Oh. Uy. Oh, finally. He's in.
I hope that tire don't go flat on me while I'm trying to do this.
Slowly. Okay, straighten it out.
Does that look good?
Yeah. Okay, slow down. Gee. Okay. My God.
I'm glad I strapped it in or you're flying.
Yeah. Finally.
That down?
Yes. Slow down. Keep
That's the
going.
hard part. Now I'm just going to set it here for a minute.
Oh,
Because did you want to clean out this dryer a little bit or forget it for now?
really?
Smells like a dead animal. That tire's flat already. I think that tire's messed up.
Don't smack it, huh?
Okay, I'm going to set it down. So let it down easy.
That's it.
Yeah, I just got to hook up. The red is hot. Okay, there's the hot. Should I give it a little extra snug with the pliers? Just a bit.
Now the wires is attached. Don't make it too hard.
Make it nice and snug so it won't come out as the end.
The drain hole.
Like that. And then plug it in.
Plug it in.
And then let's take all this plastic off. You want to take this plastic off?
Yes, let's take the plastic off. And what is this one? Is a loader? How you call it?
It's a clothes washer. What do you mean, what is it?
The front loader. Yeah,
This is the top loader.
a top loader.
The old one is the front loader because you load it from the front. This is the front, this is the top.
There's a lot of different kind of washer, but this is good.
Oh, this is for the hose, I think.
So big. There's more plastic here.
I'm not really sure what this is for. I want to get all that plastic off.
I have to take this one, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Many plastics.
You get it all off?
Looks on the right spot now. This is a top loader, which is better than the front loader because it doesn't stink as much as the front loader. It's kind of big. I can hide here too. I'm almost tall as this one. I need a stepper when I take all my clothes out because I can't reach until the bottom. And then I have to study all the instructions, but so far this one is easy to remember. And it's just basic instructions here, so it's good for me. Unlike the other machine, lots of chichaborache. So I picked this one. See if it's on the right spot. Checking it. Make sure everything all right. And then see that one. It's like everything's attached now with all the little thing, and it's ready to be used. Gotta try to. It doesn't match on our dryer, but it's okay because it's still working. Our dryer is still working.
The balancer should be centered.
The balancer, it looks centered now, so it means it's all good. Thank you, darling.
Now I turn the water on.
Yeah, turn the water on. Maybe we try first.
We'll run a cycle through, it says.
Oh, a cycle first. We'll see how it goes. Because at first we have to run it like normal without clothes, so it cleans everything. It's like you're doing a cycle of laundry, so we'll let it run for start. We'll see.
Here's your temperatures. Cold, warmer, hot.
That's nice.
Temperature 1 time or 5 times. Spin high, no spin.
Oh yeah. That's chichiborache manday ni.
Then we'll just run it normal.
Run it normal.
Hot water.
I need to remember all this. Today, let's see.
Some of these new ones you can control with your phone.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know anything about that.
So we'll run it like normal, without clothes. Well, let's see. Is it running now?
Should be.
Oh, there you go, guys. We're doing what we're doing now?
Test run.
Test run. Make sure everything okay. Oh, look, it's running. I have to study this washer book but I'm lazy to read. I'll just wait till my husband tell me. Look, I'm lazy to read all this. You think I'm gonna read it? No. We're doing a test run. Look. Can we open this or not?
It'll probably stop. Oh, it's locked. See?
Oh, yeah. So we cannot open. It's locked. It's locked.
There might be a way to hit like stop.
Hold to start. Where is the water? Oh, where is the... Oh, yeah. Test run.
It looks like it'll hold a lot of clothes.
Yeah. So far it's working, so we're gonna keep it.
See how it's getting steam, smoke? It's from the hot water.
Oh yeah. We tried to open it, but it's locked once it starts, I guess. So far it's running.
I don't feel any leaks.
Everything good.
No leaks. I'll let you monitor that while I start working on the plumbing.
We'll see how the water. So saan na di ay na?
Let's see if I can go ahead and do a spin. How do we?
Oh my
Rinse
God,
and
I
spin.
have to study more. Aren't you doing the whole thing, hon?
I'm just doing a rinse and spin cycle now.
That's all the water. How can it clean our clothes?
Well, we're gonna try it, I guess. I don't know. Maybe because it sinks there was no clothes in there.
Maybe. It's the drain. How does it suck?
Sucks it out through a pump and pumps it out through there.
But the old one, hun, we don't have like that holder, right?
I suppose you got to open the lid and put your soap in here.
No, I'm not ready to watch it. What's the sound?
It's out, I guess.
It's loud. That's it. Hold to start. Why you don't just leave it alone, huh? Princess pen. We're just testing here. Nothing to spin. Testing.
I don't know what that deep fill means.
Well, we gotta study it. There we go. They're not pair, but it's fine because our dryer is still working. There you go, guys. It's all set for now, and later I'm gonna do my laundry. Thank you for watching. Our old one needs to say bye-bye. This is a front loader, and I'm used to this instruction here, but it's not working anymore, and it's very expensive to fix it, so we decided to just buy a new one. Gonna say bye-bye. It will go to the dump. I felt bad to dump this one because if it's in the Philippines, we can try to fix it because it still looks good. But if you do it here, it's expensive. So that's why we just gonna buy a new one, which is the same price almost. That's why.